Hi, I'm Tim, Parts Manager at Cole Chevrolet, and I'm here with your tip of the day.
Summertime heat is harder on battery than the cold weather, and due to summer heat, it can kill your battery 33% faster than what the cold temperatures can.
You got evaporation, overcharging, and also corrosion. All those things take place in the heat. So now what we want to talk about is how do you prolong your car's battery life in the hot, extreme summertime temperatures. And those things are, you keep your battery clean. Top of the battery, dust is a conductor. It will cause your battery to discharge. Turn off everything that you're not using. Any type of accessories. Don't be charging your cell phone if it doesn't need to be done, because that will also pull and drain the battery. So when you feel like you need to replace your battery, some signs are: 1, headlights and your interior lights appear to be dimmer than normal. In-car accessories fail to operate properly, such as cell phone chargers, GPSs, etc. Also, your check engine or your battery light may pop on in the dash.
So whenever you have to replace your battery, remember, not all batteries are created equal. Each car is designed for a certain group size, a certain cranking power and cold cranking power. So make sure you do get the proper battery to where your vehicle will run properly each and every time and is dependable when you need to go. So thanks for watching this week's tip of the day, and just remember, if you need a battery, you can come down to Cole Chevrolet and we will help you get the right battery, and you can also schedule appointments and see things on colechevy.com.